I'm Miko. I'm autistic, and I share moments from my life to show that being different can be wonderful. I hope you enjoy this episode. Hi friends! Today was a little surprising. I met someone new, and I did it in my own quiet way. And it turned out really nice.
Hi, I'm Sam.
Meeting someone new always feels a little sparkly and surprising.
It's okay to take your time. You can say hello in a way that's comfortable to you. You might try a soft wave or a small smile, no talking needed. Or you can say, "Hi, I'm Miko," if words feel okay today.
Okay, I think I'll try a wave.
Good choice. Sam looks happy. His smile means he feels safe.
Nice. Okay. So, now what should I do?
You could start a conversation, or you can invite him to color with you. You might ask, "You like to draw?" Or say, "Want to use the blue chalk?" Or you can keep coloring. Sometimes being together is enough. Or you could just share your chalk.
Okay, I can try one small thing. I didn't need to be loud. I didn't need to look right at him. A little wave and a little time was enough.
You listened to what felt right for you.
Meeting someone new can feel a little scary. But you can wave, or smile, or use a few words. Whatever feels right for you.
And small steps mean big friendships.
Thank you for spending this quiet moment with me and Taro. I'm really glad you were here. If you'd like, you can come back and visit us again next time. Bye.